The health benefits of baking soda, 10 amazing properties. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a common household product that serves a variety of purposes, from baking to cleaning. But apart from its culinary and household uses, baking soda has several health benefits that may astonish you. Here's a closer look at the wonderful properties of baking soda, recommended daily intake, and its contraindications. Here we go. 10 amazing health benefits of baking soda. 1. Heartburn relief. Baking soda can neutralize stomach acid, providing quick relief from heartburn and indigestion. Mixing half a teaspoon in a glass of water can alleviate discomfort. 2. pH balance. Baking soda helps maintain the body's pH balance. An alkaline environment can reduce the risk of diseases and contribute to overall health. 3. Kidney health. Research suggests that baking soda can help slow the progression of chronic kidney disease by reducing acidity in the blood. 4. Oral health. Its mild abrasive properties make baking soda an excellent tooth cleaner. It can neutralize acids in the mouth and help fight bad breath. 5. Exercise performance. Athletes sometimes use baking soda to enhance performance. It may help reduce muscle fatigue by buffering lactic acid buildup during intense exercise. 6. Skin care. Baking soda can serve as a gentle exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells. It is also effective in soothing skin irritations and insect bites. 7. Deodorizing effects. Its natural deodorizing properties make it a popular choice for neutralizing odors in the home and even in shoes. 8. Antifungal properties. Baking soda can be used as a natural remedy for athlete's foot and other fungal infections due to its potential antifungal properties. 9. Urinary tract health. Some studies suggest that baking soda may help in treating urinary tract infections, UTIs, by inhibiting the growth of certain bacteria. 10. Respiratory relief. Inhaling a solution of baking soda may help alleviate symptoms of respiratory issues such as asthma by reducing inflammation in the airways. Recommended daily intake. While baking soda can provide health benefits when consumed in moderation, it's essential not to overdo it. For most adults, it is generally recommended to consume no more than half a teaspoon of baking soda dissolved in a glass of water once a day. Always consult with a healthcare professional before adding baking soda to your daily regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Contraindications. While baking soda has numerous benefits, there are certain contraindications and precautions to consider. High blood pressure. Baking soda contains sodium, which can contribute to high blood pressure. Those with hypertension should avoid excessive consumption. Kidney disease. Individuals with existing kidney issues should consult a doctor before using baking soda regularly, as it can affect acid-base balance. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. It's best for pregnant or breastfeeding women to seek medical advice before using baking soda regularly. Medication interactions. Baking soda may interact with certain medications, including diuretics and corticosteroids. Always consult a healthcare provider if you are on medication. Gastrointestinal issues. Overuse of baking soda can lead to gastrointestinal discomfort, including bloating and gas. Conclusion. Baking soda is a versatile product that offers numerous health benefits, from relieving heartburn to enhancing exercise performance. However, moderation and knowledge of contraindications are crucial when considering baking soda as part of your health regimen. As always, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it fits well within your overall health strategy. Thank you for watching our material once again. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new videos. Together, we create an amazing community. Thanks for your support.